I bet you think stress is bad. Dr. Alia Crum is a mindset researcher. In one study, she studied two groups of people. One group watched videos on how stress can be an enhancer. A second group watched videos on how stress can be crushing. Those who watched the positive stress videos not only showed better performance in their work, but surprisingly had less physical ailments such as backaches, muscle tension, and a racing heart. Here are the 3 steps to leverage stress she believes can empower you. Step 1, acknowledge stress by labeling it mentally or even saying it out loud. Evading stress is counterproductive. Step 2, own the stress by recognizing it as something important you care about. Understand that we tend to stress more intensely about things that matter to us and let this motivate us. Step 3, it's time to use the fuel created by stress in the form of adrenaline and dopamine. As a result of these natural fuels, you will gain increased energy, alertness, and narrowed focus. All tools that will help you power through your stressful situation. Follow us and leave us a comment on the last time you felt stressed and used it as a superpower.